Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will be showing you how to change the business hours on your Weebly website. So let's get started. First of all, open a web browser on your mobile device and go to Weebly's official website, that is www.weebly.com. From there, make sure that you are logged into your account, and once you are logged into your account, you will be directed to the dashboard of the Weebly website. From there, click on the site that you want to edit the hours by clicking on Edit Site option. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to the Weebly editor. From there, simply click on the option saying Settings, which is at the top of the navigation bar. And from there, scroll down and you will see an option saying Site Formatting. From there, you can select the date, the time format, the time zone as well as site language. And now you know how you can change the hours on Weebly. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any query, please leave down on the comment section. And thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.